Moley Robotics Kitchen Robot is a revolutionary robotic kitchen assistant that can cook almost any recipe from scratch. It is designed to mimic the movements of a human chef, using its two robotic arms to chop, mix, stir, and cook ingredients with precision and speed. The robot comes with a built-in library of recipes that users can choose from, or they can create their own recipes using the robot's intuitive touchscreen interface. Once a recipe is selected, the robot will automatically measure out the ingredients and start cooking. The Moley Robotics Kitchen Robot uses advanced computer vision technology to recognize and locate ingredients in real time. It also has a set of sensors that monitor temperature, humidity, and other cooking parameters to ensure that each dish is cooked perfectly every time. One of the most impressive features of the Moley Robotics Kitchen Robot is its ability to clean up after itself. The robot comes with a built-in dishwasher that can clean all of its utensils and cookware automatically. The Moley Robotics Kitchen Robot is designed for both home and professional use. It has been tested in commercial kitchens and has received positive feedback from chefs who have used it to prepare meals for large groups of people. One of the biggest achievements of Moley Robotics Kitchen Robot is its ability to replicate the cooking skills of professional chefs. The company worked with top chefs to record their movements and techniques, which were then programmed into the robot's software. This means that users can enjoy restaurant-quality meals at home without having to spend hours in the kitchen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.